Thank you, Direx.
Love that. Ngayon naman, galing kay Jay of Certified Kapamilya. This is for Kim and Milby. What was, so si Kim muna yung sasagot. What was the worst alibi that you've ever heard in your life and how did you respond? Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Good evening.
From Jay of Certified Kapamilya ito.
Worst alibi?
Tapos ano daw, how did you respond?
Worst alibi? Ang di ko alam. Yeah, that's super worst. Ba't mo ginawa kung hindi mo alam? Tapos pag nagre-respond, yung respond dun is, yung sagot ko ay, wala, hindi ko nang kinausap yung tao. Yes. Yung tatanungin mo, bakit ka? Hindi ko alam. Di ba nakaka-irita yun? So wala na, iniwan ko na lang.
Sino iniwan?
Bakit parang may okang? Hindi ba dapat?
Sino iniwan?
Ngayon naman, very great performance.
Thank you.
Ano ang sagot mo sa what was
Yes.
the worst alibi that you've ever heard in your life and how did you respond?
I actually don't know. I can't think of anything. I don't think I've been put in a situation where I've heard an alibi na parang, wala akong maisip actually. I'm so sorry. I know that's,
Okay, like,
pero wala akong maisip eh.
mag-sorry ka kay Jay of Certified.
Jay, I'm so sorry. Wala akong maisip ngayon. I'm so sorry, Jay. I feel like I haven't put it in a position that, yeah. I'm so sorry.
Thank you so much. Ngayon naman for Sophia from Jay of Certified. Alin sa tingin mo ang mas mahirap gawin? Ang gumawa ng alibi or hulihin ang lie behind the alibi? Wait, isa pa. Sorry. Para tayo na-confused. Alin sa tingin mo ang mas mahirap gawin? Ang gumawa ng alibi or huliin ang lie behind the alibi? Toray ni Jay of Certified
Twister.
Kapamilya.
Feeling ko yung gumawa ng alibi mas mahirap. Mas mahirap siya.
Marami tayong naririnig.
Kasi nangalingan yun eh. Mararamdaman ng tao yun kapag nagsisinungaling ka. You'll feel it. I think for me, as a person, mas mahirap yung gumawa ng alibi.
Alright. Diba?
Oo nga.
Ang naging alay
Ana Mallorca from Inquirer para naman kay Kim and Pao. I'll ask maybe Kim first. Make that Pao, sorry. The alibi is your most daring project so far. While it's clear na comfortable kayo sa isa't isa, meron pa ba kayong mga ilangan moments while filming? And can you share any unforgettable behind the scenes moment for Pao?
Oh, the question is for me?
Yes.
Yes, maraming ilangan moments because syempre when you enter a set as a professional actor and you have scenes na medyo delicate, syempre lagi mong iniisip rin yung co-actor mo or co-actress. Kung komportable ba sila, not just for Kim but also the others, with Sophia as well. Minsan, like yung napanood nyo kanina yung sumasayaw si Stella, nakita nyo sa trailer, parang naiilang ka rin at natatakot ka para sa eksena mo at para sa sarili mo. Kung hindi naman, kung medyo intense, like yung mga scenes namin ni Sophia, natatakot ka rin kung nasasaktan mo ba sila dahil yun yung instruction ng director at yun yung nakasulat sa script. Siyempre, yun lagi yung kinakatakot ko. Doon lagi ako naiilang. Kung along the way, dito sa proseso at sa pag-arte ko, kung na-alienate ko ba or nasasaktan ko or maybe nararamdaman ba nung ka-eksena ko na nabapastos ko sila in some way. So, as much as possible, I try my best to talk to them first a bit or show them what I'm gonna do pero ayun, yun lagi yung kinakatakot ko. Doon ako naiilang palagi. And I'm sure pag naiilang ako, naiilang rin yung ka-eksena ko. So, ayun.
Thank you, Pao, for being candid about your experiences so far. Kim, baka anything to add?
Wala naman siguro hindi may ilang pag mga ganun. Parang kasi nungalingan, anong alibay mo? Sabi mong hindi. Pero opo, nailang pa rin. Kahit na kami ni Pao pang 4 na project namin. Pero iba-iba kasi yung ginagawa namin. So, iba-ibang intensity. So, parang nakakahiya. Mukha lang kaming dalawa sa screen, pero napakadami po talaga namin. Parang ganito. So, mga ganun. Siyempre, nakakailang, nakahiya. Pero, since professional ang bawat isa sa amin. So, di ba, no?
Follow-up question, Kim, from Hannah. Okay, so ito naman, no, another. Grabe ang transition mo from your first role to the Alibi. Can we expect you to take more varying characters from you in the future?
Grabe. Mahalin niyo muna si Stella bago tayo tumalon sa iba. Please love #Stella. Nagpakaawa. Pero, iba-iba naman, dito naman sa mundo ng showbiz, ang daming characters na pwede mong i-play. It's up to you na lang kung paano mo siya gagampanan at depende na rin sa pagkakasulat at pagkakagawa.
Thank you, Kim. Aya?
Ngayon naman from Nika Sabio from Push